Jumping right into the video, this is me being completely honest. They did not ask me to make this video. I went to VidSummit using my own money and I've gone for years. And short answer, if you want a quick review, I would give it 5 out of 5 stars. Now, if you're planning on going, I highly suggest watching a video I already posted called 7 Things I Wish I Knew Before Going to VidSummit. I have it listed below in the description if you want to check it out. But overall, VidSummit is an amazing conference to grow your YouTube channel. Now, the biggest thing I find that people consider in terms of, well, should I go? Shouldn't I go? Is VidSummit worth it or not? Is the cost. And if you are planning on going, in terms of the cost, if you look at the cost of the ticket, so about $1,000, the flight cost, the cost of the hotel itself, spending money, food, that kind of stuff, you're probably looking at about $2,000 to $3,000 for the entire experience, give or take a little bit here and there. That is a good amount of money. And so your big question you're probably wondering is it worth it? Is it worth spending that much money to go? My short answer is yes. Long answer, it depends. And the biggest thing it depends on is you. What I mean is VidSummit is an incredible place to network and meet a tremendous amount of people. You're gonna learn a tremendous amount to grow your YouTube channel. For me, I've been a full-time YouTuber, been able to live on my entire YouTube income, travel whenever I want, be able to do interesting things, make crazy, weird videos. A lot of these stuff I've learned to really grow my channels in terms of subscribers, views, likes, etc. has been a result from all the knowledge I've gained from VidSummit. However, if you're considering going to VidSummit, and you can probably already see where I'm going with this, but you're not gonna take full advantage of the conference, if you're not gonna network that much, if you're not gonna take, all the notes you need to take, if you're not gonna buy the replays, which I highly suggest you do, make sure you buy all the replays because numerous different speakers speak at the same time. Think of it very similar to a music festival where you have 2 artists playing at the same time, and with the replays, you can rewatch everything over and over again in case you missed something or whatever the case is. And if you're not doing all of this, in addition to putting in the time and the work to build your YouTube channel, I would say don't go. That is the biggest thing. VidSummit is an incredible conference when it comes to everything you're gonna learn when it comes to YouTube, SEO, marketing, even things like Twitch and gaming and other aspects of marketing in general. The networks there are insane. I mean, you have everyone from Daryl Eves to Mr. Beast, Casey Neistat's performed. Gary Vaynerchuk has gone and spoken there. The amount you're gonna learn is ridiculous. Again, 5 out of 5 stars when it comes to VidSummit. But like I said as well, the biggest thing I think when people are considering going is the cost. And I'm gonna be honest, it is 100% worth the money, because if you think about it, if you let's say drop, let's say that $2,000 on VidSummit and you grow your YouTube channel to the point where it's making $2,000 to $3,000 every month in passive income, well, in 1 month on your YouTube channel, that's gonna cover the cost of VidSummit and then some. If your YouTube channel grows a lot more too, that's more money in your pocket every month from growing your channel. But that can only result in 1, you going to VidSummit, experiencing it, meeting people, networking, learning as much as you can, but 2, putting in the work. That to me is always the biggest thing, that VidSummit's a lot of fun, but at the end of it, that's when you're like, okay, now the grind truly begins. Now taking all these points that I learned, all this knowledge that I gained, all this education that I was jotting down as quick as I could, now it's time to implement it on my YouTube channel. It is a lot of work. But at the end of the day, the best analogy I can give is this. VidSummit will teach you the best tools and techniques to help you open that door, but remember, you still have to walk through it. VidSummit will help you in terms of everything you need to know, but you still have to put in the work.